Well, hello everybody. You join me on my wife's YBR, Yamaha YBR 125 for a little shopping trip. So this could be fun. Very fun indeed. It's a beautiful October day. And yeah, but this should be quite funny. And do you know what? I've only been on it 2 minutes and I'm already finding it quite hilarious. It definitely needed a run. I can't imagine what I look like. My knees are right up above the actual petrol tank, look. It's very smooth. I was expecting it to struggle more with me, but it's doing fine. I feel like I have to sort of paddle off the start line to get it going. Ooh, big vrums. Yeah, I definitely need to. It needs a bit of help off the start line. You have to slip an awful lot of clutch to get the thing moving. It's doing alright. Look, I can always touch my hand and my wrist with my knees. The foot's out the front. I feel like I have to really concentrate on what I'm doing. There's no engine braking, so you just like, as soon as you're slowing down, it just coasts along. My bike's got so much engine braking, you almost have to slip the clutch. Otherwise you go. I don't feel particularly vulnerable. And I ride like a girl, apparently. It's my wife's bike. I mean, the first thing you've got to say about this bike is the fuel. So we topped this up ages ago. I mean, it's only done 46,000 miles. 46,000? No, it's done 15,500 miles. But it's done 47 miles, and we've only used up a quarter of a tank. Well, if that's accurate, but it seems quite accurate. So a bit of story behind this bike. My wife wanted to do a CVT, well, she wants a motorbike basically. She wants a big bike, and she'd done her CVT, and we managed to find this little Yamaha YBR. This is back in June, July, and here it is. It needed a bit of work doing to it. Clutch cable needed replacing, and the neutral gear sensor needed replacing as well. That didn't work. Other than that, it's okay. I think the trouble is with a lot of these 125s, I think you're very hard pressed to find a bike that hasn't been thrashed or not looked after particularly well. I mean, this one's okay. I think we paid a little bit over the odds for it, but we were looking for a 125 in the middle of summer, and the options were limited at what you could get for a decent price. But this is fine. I think definitely the best time to look for a motorbike if you're in the market is winter, because looking at the prices now, these are 2 a penny and cheap as chips. So it's just frustrating really. But I wanted to get my wife a bike, and she needed to get a bike so that she could practice. There's no good doing your CVT and then not riding anywhere. And this is an interesting roundabout. Now obviously here I'll just go power through, don't give a crap, but this I'm going to have to think about now. I can't really filter because I haven't got the power to get out, So I'm going to sit here and hope for a decent gap. Go, 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 go! There we go. That was not bad. But I literally have to slip the clutch like a bitch just to get it moving with my massive weight on it. Going down dual carriageway now. It's fine. Let's see what we can get out of it. Right, 6th gear, top gear. 50. There is limit to 40 here, so see what we can do. Come on. It's alright, it'll be on my wife's licence anyway. Come on, come on. 50, 50. We can see 50. We've gone past 50. Come on now, 60. Let's move back in. Come on, let's get to 60. Come on, girl. Come on. Didn't quite get to 60 there. So that's not bad, is it? Look at that. I'm flat-footed, legs are bent. Concentrate on what you're doing. You're literally full throttle all the time. Just we have reached our destination for the shopping trip, ladies and gentlemen. I must look hilarious on this thing. Hilarious. Right, do we have motorcycle parking? Oh, got a glimpse of myself on this thing. There we go. You can just throw it around though, which is nice. Here we go. Boff. And there it is. A tiny little bike. As you can see, it's pretty good. There's a bit of corrosion around the engine, which is to be expected. No oil leaks. Right, let's go shopping. Right. So that's the shopping trip done. And it's just time to head home. Oh, listen to that 125 raw into life. I think that was quite successful really for a giant man on a 125. Let's go a different way back this time. Go, 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 go. I can't believe I rode something smaller than this when I was a kid. When I did my CBT, I rode a, if you look back at my old videos, I did a little story about it, but I rode a Yamaha RX100, which actually was a Bajaj, but we don't talk about that. I'll tell you what though, like, I think people say that it's best to go straight to the full test for your motorbike, but I definitely think there's something to be said for riding around on a 125 for a couple of years, building your confidence and skills up on a much lighter bike, which isn't scary, but this is comfortable. I mean, riding hundreds of miles on it could be interesting for me, and I think this is worth a bit of a shout actually to Tom and his girlfriend on I Like Motorbikes. I'll put a link up to his channel. He's just about to embark on a round the world trip on two Honda CG1, no, yes, two Honda CG125s, the best 125s in the world. Also apparently the fastest. Now he's brave doing that. I couldn't do that. So Tom, you're mad, but also envious. So good luck to you guys. Go and check him out. In the meantime, I'm riding this little 125, and I'll be honest with you, I'm actually quite enjoying it. Feels a bit buzzy as the revs get higher, but nothing too bad. I think this, considering I'm 6'6", my legs are 34 inside, 36 inside leg. My legs are stupidly long. This is not a bad bike. If you're a tall person and you want to do your you want to do your CBT, I mean, this sort of shape seems to work quite well. I think these are standard handlebars, obviously. It's coping quite well my way. I think the rear suspension's almost bottomed out. Rear tyre looks alright. But where the pegs are, my knees are at a right angle and my bottoms of my legs are right angle, so it's not too bad. I can put the balls of my feet on there and my knees aren't all jammed up, but you've got a stupid angle between the petrol tank and my knee. Right, I'm going to risk it here for a biscuit. Get your ball, come on. It's almost a bicycle, so I'm going to go in the bicycle lane. It's just going to come into a nice little 30-mile-an-hour road here, so I'm going to see what it's like to keep at 30 miles an hour. It should be quite easy. My MT-01 is a nightmare to keep at 30 miles an hour because it wants to go faster, it wants to go slower. It's not ever the right gear. Right, there's 30. Well, first of all, it's taking forever to get there, so right, there we are, we're in 30 now. I think we're in 4th. Just poodle along at 6,000 revs. It's quite easy to keep it there. Yeah, we're doing fine. I got caught speeding up here. I did 32 miles an hour in a 30, and I had to do a speed awareness course, and I have to say the speed awareness course was probably the worst, well, probably the most wasted time in my life. And I got bored and silly and started taking a mickey a little bit, but hey ho, it's better than points, I guess. Yeah, 32 miles an hour, so I was doing 32 and I got a speeding ticket. Well, we're doing just under 30 there through there, that speeding bit. Oh, look at that. Accelerate. Come on. You're never going to break any speed records, obviously, but the enjoyment of just poodling around is actually really quite something, actually. I wonder if they give me a nod. Yes, they did. Good for them. Even with the lure plates. Even with the lure plates. I just need to get my wife's confidence up. She needs to get out on her own. And she can commute backwards and forwards, do a little bit of shopping, park it anywhere. Although she just needs to get a lock for it, because I know these are very, 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 very nickable. Because you can literally just pick them up and walk away with them. Woo! So yeah, overall, this thing has coped incredibly well with my gargantuan size. And I don't see any reason why, although my bum is starting to hurt a little bit, I don't see any reason why someone similar size or a similar sort of motorbike would have any real issues. You might look stupid, but you'll be comfortable and you'll be grinning. Grinning all the way to the shops or your work. Oh, look, a couple of Lillas over there. Lalas! Good evening, chaps. Good morning, good afternoon. Right, let's give it. Let's see what it's like up this hill. It's really slow. Wow. Right, on that note everybody, I hope you've enjoyed me being silly on this 125. Little trip to the shop and back, which is exactly what it's designed for. And give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, why not? I might do some more of these videos if it comes down well. And we'll go from there. Ciao, bye!